Okay, today we will be installing a skid plate, also known as Sump Guard by Triumph. So this is a part. This is what it comes with. Some mounting hardware, and this is original Tiger 900. We start by removing the original one. It takes 8mm socket, and there are two bolts to remove which hold it. This one, and the second one is here, further back. And two side bolts. This guy near the pedal. Once this is removed, the plastic part is off, so you can see it here. Sorry about the quality, I'm shooting with my cell phone. So next we remove this mounting bracket, the old one. So it's 1, 2, 3 mounts. Here we remove this. Need 12mm socket and 4mm hex key to remove this. Okay, so this is old mounting bracket removed. Now fit the new mounting bracket. It goes here with 3 bolts. Okay, the bracket is installed. Let me show you from underneath how it looks, if you can see it. So now we need to fit these rubber things here, and here. So once we have rubber things inside, we need to insert these things as shown. So with the front away from me, so these guys go from outside. 1, 2, and these two guys, they go from underneath, actually. 1, so from underneath, and let me put this one also from underneath, the fitting part. So we start from this side, so we fit it here, and you see they align here, and so we use nuts to put them there. And on this side, so these bolts will go there and there. Now it's tightened up, and we all set.